Hello dear students, this is the third part of second lecture related to class 11 physics from first chapter, that is physical world and measurement. In this lecture we will define the definition of second, and this lecture when you just listen everything then you can learn out the definition of second in very easy way, because in definition of second a concept of numerical value, whenever numerical value concept is clear, then your definition concept is accurate. Just see what is the concept of definition of second here, chapter physical world and measurement. And definition of second. Just see what is the concept of definition. 1 second is the duration of nine one nine two 631770. 1 second is the duration of this number periods of radiation. Periods of radiation corresponding to periods of radiation corresponding to two hyperfine level, hyperfine corresponding to unperturbed, not this one, this one word very important, corresponding to unperturbed transition. Between two hyperfine level, between two hyperfine levels. The level here f is equal to 3, m is equal to 0, and f is equal to 4, m is equal to 0 of the ground state of cesium-133 atom. Ground state of cesium-133 atom. Definition, when you just listen carefully, then everything will be clear. 1 second is the duration of this one periods. It means this is a number 91 92 63 17 70. Learning view, just like mobile number 91 92 63 17. In rhyming words you can learn out, but in international system how to read 9 billion 9,192,631,770 periods of radiation corresponding to unperturbed transitions between two hyperfine levels. The two hyperfine levels here, f is equal to 3, m is equal to 0, and f is equal to 4, m is equal to 0 of the ground state of cesium-133 atom. When you just write one time, then everything will be clear, and after writing one time, you just read out 2 to 3 times, then you can write down anywhere. Very easy definition. So you make practice either definition or derivation in any chapter of physics. Without practice, that is impossible, and the learning concept, that is very easy by writing. When you just write 1 or 2 times, then everything will be clear. So you will just make practice on this definition, and remaining 4 definition of fundamental units we will just continue in the upcoming lectures. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.